Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. Today, I'm going to be showing you a quick and few simple steps to create or sign up for your blockchain.com wallet. So in order to get started, first ensure that you have the blockchain.com wallet installed on your preferred mobile device. You can also do this on your PC. Simply tap open your blockchain wallet application from your app drawer, which will take you to this interface. If you already have a wallet, you can go ahead and tap the login button at the bottom right and follow through the login steps. You can also restore your wallet by tapping the restore button and entering your backup phrases. Simply follow the instructions to restore your wallet again. But if you are creating a new wallet since you are new, tap on create an account button in blue. On the next page, you'll need to select your country from the drop down. If you've got a referral code with you, type it inside the next box and tap the next button at the bottom. On the next page, you'll get to create a new account. First, go ahead and enter a valid email address in the first email box. Once done, create a new password for your wallet in the next field. Once creating a password, go to the confirm password text field and retype in the new password. Make sure that both of the passwords in the create password box and confirm password box matches. If it doesn't, you won't be able to create an account. After you are done, certify that you are 18 years of age or older and also agree to the blockchains.com's terms of service and privacy policy by enabling the little toggle button at the bottom and tap on get started. On the next page, create a PIN code for your device. Confirm the PIN by typing it again. Enable Face ID or biometrics by tapping on OK. If you don't want to do that, skip the step by tapping Not Now. After you are done, you'll need to allow some necessary permissions. Also, you'll need to verify your email. You'll be sent a link on the particular email that you've chosen. Go and tap on Check My Inbox and select your email service provider. You can also open up a web browser and log into your email inbox where you'll receive an email from blockchain.com. Tap it open and tap on Yes, I confirm this is my email address and wait for a few seconds. Once your email is verified, you can go back to your blockchain.com wallet app. Enter your device's PIN that you've set, and there you have successfully created or signed up a new account for blockchain.com wallet. So that's how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.